Hi everybody, Miss Lisa here. Time to get in the kitchen again. Today we're going to be making DIY, do-it-yourself, hot cocoa mix. So we're going to start. We've got our dry powdered milk mix, excuse me. We've got our powdered sugar. We've got our cocoa, white chocolate chips, and just a little bit of salt. So we're just going to take everything basically and put it in our food processor. And if you don't have a food processor, that's okay. You can just put it all in a bowl and use a whisk. Mainly we're using the food processor. It kind of acts like a sifter, but also when we add our chips in, it's going to grate our chips just a bit. But you could just leave the chips whole. They're not that big. And of course, when you add your hot liquids, they're going to melt. So there goes our dry powdered milk mix. Here goes our powdered sugar, our cocoa powder, our white chocolate chips. And you know that's not really chocolate, but they just call it chocolate. There they go. And you can always leave those out if you don't want them. And as always, we need a pinch of salt to bring out that nice flavor. So let's put our lid on our processor. I'm kind of doing this backwards a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pulse this several times until I feel like it's all mixed and the white chocolate chips have been cut down to size just a bit. Here we go. Here's our mix. You take 1 cup of milk and heat it up, any kind of milk that you like, and then take a 1/3 cup of the mix and drop that in. Stir it around. You've got yourself a nice cup of homemade hot cocoa. And of course, it wouldn't be finished, as far as I'm concerned, without what? A few marshmallows. And if you really want to be decadent and spoil yourself, let's have some whipped topping on top. And there you go, my friends. Enjoy.